to Yellow Tumbler channel. Today I am going to teach you how to solve this Rubik cube. So let's start. So there are some formulas to solve this Rubik cube. So the first color I am going to do with this is white color I am going to choose. So let me teach you. So first let's turn everything. So I am getting some colors. So see, there are two colors. I am going to lift it up. So here is one cube which I have to fix here. So I am going to teach you how to solve it. So now it is in our left side. So we have to hide it in our right hand side. So I am going to hide it. See, I am going to hide it and I am going to make it come down. So if I turn it, it is solved. So I am going to again take it out. Next, in which side we are getting the white color, so we have to turn, and the last time we have to. So now again, here is the white color, so which I am going to solve here. So this is it. This is in the centerpiece. This is in the centerpiece, so I can hide it any side, left or right. So I am going to hide it in the right hand side. So I am going to hide it. I am going to pull this particular cube down. I am going to turn it. So this also solved. I am going to take it out. So I am going to search for another white color cube. So it is here. So this white cube is here. So I am going to turn to the side which I want. I am turning. So this cube is going to be fixed in the center point. So again, this is in the right hand side. So I am going to hide it in the left hand side. So I am going to hide it in the left hand side. I am going to pull it down. I am going to turn it. It is solved. I am going to take it out. So the last piece is at the down of the cube. So I have to fix at this cube which I want sharp down. So I am going to pull it down. If I turn, so if I turn the cube, it comes to this side. So I am going to lift it up. So now this cube is here. So I am going to keep it here. So that old formula, I am going to hide it in the right hand side, opposite side. I am going to keep it down and fix it. It is solved. So I have done this side. So again, we are going to solve this side. So this side I am going to solve it. So we are going to first choose which part we want in the center. So here green, it is green. So I am taking this part. So this cube is not needed. So I am going to remove it. I am going to remove it and lift it up. So if you see this white cube, under there is a blue color cube. So I am going to check where is the centerpiece of blue. So it is coming here. So I am going to fix this cube here. So the old formula, the opposite side, lift it down, turn, lift it up. So it is being solved again. So here it is again blue. I am going to turn to the blue side. So this cube will come here. So the opposite side, down, turn, up. So again we have red color. So where we want red, we are going to. So the red color we want here. So this cube should be fixed here. So I am going to do it. Opposite side, down, turn, up. So these two cubes are solved. So we are going to just move this centerpiece here and this centerpiece here. So we have to remove. We don't want this color here. So we are going to remove it. Oh, we have to just pull it down, remove it, take it up. So down there is red color. So you have to keep it in the red. So this white cube should come here. So we are going to do opposite side, down, turn, up. So it is being corrected. Again white. Start. So this piece I'm going to fix it right here. So opposite side, down, turn, up. So this part is fixed. So I'm going to do the down side. So so I have to check this part. So I'm getting blue. So I have to keep it in blue. So down there is red. So this piece will come here. So I have to move it to the opposite side. Down, turn, up. So I have to turn the cube. I have to move it to the opposite side. Down, turn, up. So I've got this piece correct. So again I have to check which color is going to fit. So here is the orange piece. I'm going to keep it in orange. So there down there is a green piece. So this piece will definitely come here because orange green. So I'm going to fix it in opposite. Okay, I've done till this. So I'm going to, the next step is we are going to form J here. So it is already like J. So we have to turn like J. So now you can say it is J. So down we need a plus. So if it is J, it's okay. So now we are going to form a plus. So that is the main step for making everything. So I'm going to teach you how to make plus. So in this cube I'm going to teach you. We are going to just put J formula. So that's how you're going to put a straight line, turn it. So it is J and you're going to turn this cube. Again we are going to do it backwards. So I'm turning this one and turning this. So this is the J formula. Now I'm going to do it here. So I'm going to do down, turn this side, and going to turn. This is the straight line we're going to put up. Again, backwards. Turn it like this, up. So we stop on the plus sign. So you can see it, right? Plus. So here we're going to do corner formula. It is nothing but you have to turn 1, 2, 1, 2. Then you have to take this cube up. So this cube goes to the back side. Again, you're going to turn this cube here and this cube down, turn up. So we get something right. Again, we have to do it for 2 to 3 times until we get it. So down, 1, 2, up, again like side, down, sort, up. So we get every piece plus here. So now we're going to check whether which pieces are correct. So these pieces are not correct. So we're going to correct it. There is another formula. You're going to sort this down, turn it. It's like 11. Turn it down. Turn this one, move it up. Turn this one, move it up, and correct this plus. Great. Yeah, we got it. So this cube is correct, but it is in different corners. So we're going to solve it. How to solve? So we're going to do the same corner formula, both left side and right side. So down, 1, 2, up. Again 1, down, turn, up. So again, without saying anything, we are going to do the left side. Down, 1, 2, up, turn, down, turn, up. So we get these pieces correct. We want to again check which piece is correct. So everything is wrong. So we're going to do again the 11th formula. Turn this one here, up, this one up and turn. So again, until and unless we get it. Turn down, turn up, turn up. So again. Done. So this is how to solve this Rubik cube. If you like this video, like this video, subscribe this video. Bye.